And if it did, I'd do the same all again. A witness flow of poetry in the ocean, and right along to my eyes met the lining of the sky.
Hi guys, good morning. We are here in Goa for my pre-birthday celebration, and we are staying at this amazing property called Ozran Heights Beach Resort. And since I posted a picture yesterday on my Instagram, many of you were asking me about this place, so I'm just mentioning the place. It's an amazing property to stay and chill even with your friends and your loved ones. We are going to some place we are going to some place tonight nearby to our property, which is amazing.
Numbers of the hub manager, ambulance, emergency numbers, and it even has my number. In case you all get lost, you all can contact me on that number. In case if you all need something, please ring the bell. Be it if you all want to click a picture, because we are going to be coming across beautiful scenery. If you all need to get a picture, ring the bell, call out my name. You can call me out by captain. Secondly, no riding in doubles. Okay, be in a single file. So one behind the other. Apply your back brakes, but emphasize a little on your front brakes. Don't go hard on your front brakes, or else you might flip over.
Okay.
Come.
Oh, but still you held this message in your eyes. In a promise to myself I would express it, well, not knowing if I'm capable or if I would respond. On the day I woke and the soul song is well. Saw beauty in the selflessness of giving, heard sorrow in the songs of 1,000 merchantmen, singing just to fill their emptiness. Knew wisdom was a choice of the moment, there for you to be now and not just to become. I put myself down just by looking up. Felt love from the caring of a woman. I felt the loss of a fallen child underneath the sun. On the day I woke, the soul soulless one. I could with my heart open, without the fear of pain that may find its way in. And if it did, I'd do the same all again. A witness flow of poetry in the ocean, and right along to my eyes met the lining of the sky. Fulfilled enough to never question why, and I showed myself upon my own reflection of a world I'm creating that's affecting everyone. On the day I woke, the soul song as one. You sang to make these lyrics as if they were.
I told her the deal.
I'm not captain.
I told her about the deal. The faster you are finished,
I'm awestrucking this property.
coffee, whatsoever, whatever you want to have, please fill it out.
Thank you, captain.
Maybe lime water with honey, because I don't have sugar. I use honey as alternative. Custard everywhere.
Yes.
Oh, but still you held this message in your eyes. In a promise to myself I would express it, Well, not knowing if I'm capable or if I would respond. On the day I woke and the soul song is when. So soulless when. On the day I woke and so soulless when. On the day I woke and so soulless when.